Hello guys, this is Aryan. In this video I'll tell you 10 lines essay about my sister. Number 1. My sister is my best friend. Number 2. Her name is Alia. Number 3. She is 11 years old. Number 4. She has a great sense of humor. Number 5. She is a very good dancer. Number 6. She also sings very well. Number 7. Her favorite color is blue. Number 8. We often tease each other. Number 9. She is protective of me. Number 10. I am grateful to have her in my life. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you like the video, kindly subscribe the channel and stay tuned. Thank you.